Hi everybody, my name is Judy Tennant and I'm the Executive Director of Parrot Partner. And this is Allie. Allie is a yellow-crowned Amazon, and Allie right now is in palliative care. About 3 weeks ago we noticed that Allie was weak in stepping up, that around his vent some of the feathers were starting to become matted with feces, and that his general condition didn't appear to be as bright or as well kept as we've seen in the past. Those indicators told us that it was a good idea to bring him into Linwood Animal Hospital to Dr. Roscoe, who's a board-certified avian vet. When we did take Allie in, we did a series of tests. The tests all appeared normal except for one bump in liver enzymes. We went from there to x-rays, and the x-rays showed a massive mass in his abdomen area. The mass could either be cancerous tumor or it could be fatty liver. The only way to find out for certain is to do a liver biopsy, and given the state and the size of the mass, and that both are terminal, we decided not to do that, not to put Allie through that. So our options now are palliative care to keep him as comfortable and give him the highest quality of life that we possibly can while he's still with us. Right now, Allie is chowing down, and we have these sessions every day. Allie is still eating thank you, Allie, he's eating and throwing all over me. He's eating his fresh vegetables. He gets, and everybody here at the center gets 3 to 4 vegetables and fruits a day. That's the first thing that they get. And they also get this mixture, which is egg whites and hemp seed, flaxseed, coconut oil, red palm oil, I'm trying to remember everything, and a mixture of herbs. And this particularly is a mixture which is very soothing and non-toxic to the liver, but also has a high level of nutrients and balanced omega-6 and 3s. It's a healthy mixture, and as you can tell, you can see everybody else is eating as well, but Allie enjoys it a great deal as well. So Allie is eating, however, he is still dropping weight. We have 3 indicators that we're looking for in terms of quality of life, and that is his movement. Is he moving well? Can he move? Is he too concerned about his strength to be able to move appropriately? His interactions with us, is he still singing? Is he still talking? And also his weight, his food intake. We have some good food intake still happening, but his weight is dropping. We knew that this was going to happen, and maybe another time I'll, if I haven't already done so, if you haven't already seen the video, another time I will tell you the story of Allie and why it's always heartbreaking when an animal is going to pass away. But maybe another time I'll tell you why this particular bird and this particular instance for us here at Parrot Partner is quite devastating. So stay tuned. We're going to bring you along with the journey, and maybe you'll get a glimpse of just how fabulous this guy is. Thanks, everybody.